Welcome back to the glide script. In today's video, we are going to build a real-world ServiceNow security scenario from scratch. We will see how to control who can see and edit employee salary data using ACLs, roles, and I will write a small client script as well to hide a section. I will show you later in this video. So for this video, I have taken 3 users. Sumaya Khan is the help desk employee and she can only see her own records, including salary details, but cannot modify salary. But other fields she can update like contact details and everything. I will show you in the table. Then other user is Sachin Reddy. I have taken a name, random name. He is a development manager who can see and edit records for himself and those employees who belongs to his department only. He cannot see other departments' record, and also salary field will be hidden from him. He will not be able to see salary field or section. And Megha Sharma, again a random name. She is an HR lead who has full access to all employee records, including she can view, edit, delete, and manage salary field as well for all employees. I have made one ACL matrix to make it clear to you guys. I have created these users, 3 users, and then I have created 3 custom role. I'm not going to use out of the box roles, or I did not edit the out of the box roles for this video. I have created 3 custom roles and given these roles directly to these users. For the HR, I have created this role, and then for the manager, and similarly for the help desk employee. And this table will give you clear picture what we want to achieve in this mini project. All employees should read records, create, also update as well, and then delete records. Only HR has the access to delete the records, and then salary field will visible to this HR for all employees, and for the help desk they can see his own record only, salary field for his own, but this field will be read only. She cannot be edit or delete this or update the salary field. I will show you the table I have created here. Let's go to the filter navigator and then type the glide script. I have created this table, TGS employee. TGS, the glide script I have taken name for the training purpose. And then this is the list view. I have created only one record as of now. If you'll click on new, this is the form view. This is the name of the employee. And it is a reference field. And I have referred it to the sysuser table. Title, each employee has their title. You can mention it. It's a simple string field. Then employee ID is again a string field and it is auto-populated. Then status I have taken for the employee, active, on leave, and terminated. It's a choice field, and I have given these 3 choice values. I have not made any field mandatory here. You can make it. Under the employee details section, I have mentioned these 4 columns. Department, this is also a reference field you can see, and it is referring to the department. Out of the box department table. Hire date is a date field. It is also a reference field, and it is referring to sysuser again. And then address, it is referring to location table. Out of the box location table. You can make it a string field as well. It's up to you. Contact details, this is a string field for the phone. Email, string again. And then salary structure, basic salary and CTC. I have made 2 fields. If you'll click on, I have taken this field type as currency. You can take string or decimal, it's up to you. See, the basic salary has, I have included Indian rupees symbol as well and remove some of the by default currency. How we can achieve this? I already explained in my admin series. You can go to the table. I will give the link in the description. That in table video I have explained in details how you can bring any currency as per the requirement in the catalog as well in the table. These are the fields I have created, and these are the 4 ACL. Whenever you will create any table in the ServiceNow, these 4 ACL will be created automatically. So our main purpose to create ACL as per the requirement. So I have created these 3 users first and given the role, respected role to the respected user. She is from the customer support department. See the department I have mentioned here, the customer support, and given this role xtgs underscore help desk. Again similarly, but he is the manager, and I have given department. I have selected development out of the box department development, and role given to the manager role, and she is from the HR, and role I have given xtgs HR role. And these 3 roles I have created. This role was created during that table. When we created the table, it was created automatically. These 3 roles, custom role, I have given X prefix to identify it is a custom role, and these 3 roles I have created. So you also need to create these 3 roles and users for this video if you are doing practice. One more thing I have implemented on this table. If you will select any user, for example, I have selected David. See, the department is auto-populated in front of you. Manager is also auto-populated. Address also auto-populated, and then email address. How I achieve this? I have written script include and then a client script. On change client script on this name field, whenever the user will be changed, if I'll change any other user, see, this user also from the development team, and manager and address not populated. I think it does not have, see, department is development and address is not mentioned, that's why. And see the email address. If I'll select our user like Sachin Reddy, I see the Sachin Reddy at the glidescape.com is populated, and the department is also development. Manager and address I did not mention, that's why it is not populating here. So you can also achieve this. No need to enter every time. You can write a script include and then client script. So before moving to create ACL, I will give you the very basic idea about what are the ACLs. I hope you all know about it, but I will give you the basic idea. So what are the ACL in ServiceNow? So ACL is a security rule in ServiceNow that controls who can read, write, create or delete records and fields based on roles and conditions. Next, what are the different types of ACL? So there are 2 major type of ACL. One is row level and another is the column level. Row level ACL is also known as table level ACL. For example, table.none we will see and you will use a lot in this mini project. And then column level ACL or field level ACL. For example, table.star. This is the execution order of the ACL. Mostly asked in the interview, what are the execution order of the ACL? Role, condition and script is the order of the execution of ACL. Now we will create ACL. To create ACL, just go to the filter navigator, type ACL and under the system security, see there is a module ACL and you can click. See, there is no option to create ACL here. There is no new button. If you are creating ACL on any table, if you scroll down, see there are 4 access control, but until now there is no new button. To create ACL, you will need to elevate your role first. To elevate your role, go to the user profile, click on elevate role and give the security admin role. Always remember this thing. You need to have the security admin role, then you can be able to manage ACL. Click on update. If I refresh this page, then we will get the new button to create ACL here as well. See, I'll create ACL for the help desk employee first. This is the customer support and the role required for this user is xtgs_helpdesk. You already created it. And what are the requirements? She can see only her own record, including salary details, but cannot modify salary while freely updating other fields. She can update all other fields. So first I will create a record level ACL, then I will create field level. Create the record level ACL. What we need to do? First I will give the read access. Select from here. Type will be record. Operation will be read and then table is selected. Table.none is a record level ACL. Give role. What role I have created? X_helpdesk. Select the role and then to write the script you need to select advanced checkbox. Once you select the advanced checkbox, script box will be appear here. You need to write the script here. In the script section you will write answer is equal to, I will tell you what is answer, and then what we need to achieve here. This employee can see on record only. She will not be able to see other employees record. So what we need to filter here, if the logged in user is a helpdesk employee, so how we can get logged in user? If I'll open table, just open here. If she is the user and she is from the customer support and she will logged in, so how will we get that user, current user? So she is the current user right now. What we will write in the script, we will compare with the current username. Current user sysid current dot, what is the name of backend name of this user? It's field u_name, current dot u_name. We are comparing it, so answer will become true. And what is answer? Why it is used in this script, in the ACL script? In ServiceNow ACL scripts, answer is a special variable that must be set to true or false. It means if answer value will be true, the access will be allowed. If the answer value will be false, the access will be denied. Save it. So we have written the read ACL. Now we will create the write ACL. Go to again the ACL. This time it will be write. Select table, table dot none, give role, help desk, and script will be same as previous. So as of now, we have 6 records. One record is for this employee, that's Maya Khan. So we are expecting that we should see only one record. So what we will do, just go to the file and impersonate that user, impersonate to this user. Come here and refresh the page. So we are getting only one. So logged in user is now the help desk employee, and she can be able to see only one record. Half of the requirement, the record level requirement, is done. As of now, she can be able to edit the salary as well, but we want to restrict the edit. She cannot update the salary structure. Other things, contact details, employment details, and other things, she can update it. So when we will write the field level ACL, then we will restrict it. Okay, come here and then end impersonation. Again, we can see for the admin, we can see all records. So this time I will write ACL for the manager. What the requirement for the manager? The role is the TGS manager, and the requirement, he can see and edit record for himself and the employee from his department only. He cannot see the salary structure. This is our requirement for the manager. Sachin Reddy is the manager. He is from the development, so he can see his record, and this all development record he can see. Out of these 6, he should see 3 records. So let's achieve this by ACL. First we will write the read and then write. Read table will be select table, table dot none, record level ACL, click advanced for the scripting, give role. This time we will select the manager, and then we will write script. So store user sys ID into the variable, where I will make user variable, and then current logged in user, gs dot get user. Store it. Then I want to store the user department as well. In this user department variable, get department ID. Okay, now answer will be if the current department is development. So just copy this u department, we'll compare it. Current.u department is equal to user department. If it is the same, it will allow the access. If it will both, if the current logged in user and the current department on the form will be same, it will become true, and then it will allow the access. If it will become false, it will deny the access. So if you write answer is equal to false at the top of your script, setting variable answer is equal to false at the beginning ensures a deny by default behavior. If anything fails, like no user, no field, script error before reaching the comparison, the ACL does not accidentally grant access. So it is a defensive pattern, you can say. Start from no and then turn into yes. It will start from here no, and no access, from it will become true. Then save it. Now write ACL for write operation. Advanced will be, checkbox will be selected. Give role here, manager role, and script will be same we have written in the for the write operation. Save it. Come here, impersonate. This time username is Sachin Reddy. The refreshed. See, he is able to see the record from the development. We can customize I don't need in the manager, hire date, CTC and basic salary, bring it together so it will look good. Department, bring it top, and email should be also on the top. Yeah, see, so he is able to see his record and the David Lu, because David Lu is also belongs to his department, so he will be able to see and update the records as well. But the salary structure, we will hide it. We don't want to show the salary to the manager, so salary structure we will completely hide it from the manager. And the impersonation, required role for the HR is X_TGS_HR. And what is the requirement here? She has full access to all employee records, including viewing. She can read, edit, delete, and managing salary fields for everyone. It means she can be able to edit and update the salaries as well. She can see the salary, so there will be no restrictions. You can say simply there is no restriction for the HRC. So for the record level, we will create read, write, and delete ACL type. So I'll create open 3 side by side. One for the read, one for the write, and one for the delete. This time I will operation type, I will select read, get write script, table.none, select advanced. Role for the HR is a XTGS_HR. In the script section, it will be, we need to allow it, and so answer is equal to true. That's it. Save this. This time operation will be right, and we will allow it. Access will be allowed. So TGS table.none, select advanced, give role for the right. Okay, answer is equal to true. So it will allow access for the right. And then for the delete as well, this time we will select delete, select advanced, give role again, save this. Go and impersonate that user. Username is Meka. Come here, refresh the page. We are expecting all records to see. See, we can see all records. We can open it. We have given delete operation, so delete UI action is appeared here. HR can delete the record as well. Salary, she can be able to edit and update and delete. But I'm not seeing here any new button. We want to give HR to create the record as well. So I will give the create access. For the create, select the table name, advanced. Similarly, answer is equal to true. After saving the form, I will impersonate to the HR. Come here and refresh the page. See, now we can see the new button as well. So she can create record as well. Now we will apply the field level ACL. For this, close it, go to ACL. First, I will create a field level ACL for the helpless employee. So this is the customer support employees. What is the field level? She cannot modify salary. So we want to restrict the edit option for the salary field. Come here. Type will be record. Operation will be read. And this time table name is TGS employee. And we will select the salary. So come here and see first. In the salary structure, we have two fields, basic salary and CTC. So we'll have to write read ACL for basic and CTC, because we want to hide both field. If you want to hide one, you can apply ACL on one field. First, I will select basic for the read. Select advanced, give role X_. help desk. For the basic salary read operation, we want to allow. So what the script will be, answer should be true, but she can be able to see record for herself only. So similarly, what we did in the table label, we will write the script again. gs.getUser. If it will become true, this will be ACL and the access will be permitted. Save this. Again, for the read, select table, and then this time field will be CTC. Give role. Script will be same. Now we will create the ACL. Operation type will be write this time for the both fields. Write ACL this time. Type will be write. Select table name. Field will be basic salary. And then script will be answer is equal to false, because we don't want to give access this time. Similarly, write ACL for the CTC type. Answer is equal to false. The helpless employee can see this field, but they cannot write it. That's the purpose of this ACL. Save this. What we will do, we will check with that employee. Go to first the list view. Come here, impersonate to the help desk employee is the Sumaya Khan. Refresh this page. See, she is able to see only one. And what I will do is, now you can see we have given this employee edit option and read option for all the fields, and for the write permission we deny the access to the basic salary and the CTC field. She or he cannot be able to update the salary field. The ACL will prevent this. That was the purpose. Now understood what was the requirement. Okay, end impersonation. Now for the manager, he cannot be able to see the salary field. Otherwise, he can see all the fields. For the manager, there's no need to write the field ACL, because without any ACL, field access defaults to deny for both read and write. We can check it. I haven't written any field ACL. Just impersonate user. Go to the manager, impersonate, and what you will see, manager can see his record and his department. See, he is not able to see salary structure. So both salary fields are hidden for manager. At the end of this video, I will write a client script because it's not look good. Section is still visible, but the fields are hidden. I don't want to show the salary structure as well. So I will hide it by the help of client script. Now for the HR, we need to give the read and write permission for both the fields. So it's very easy, but we'll have to write multiple ACLs for the both fields. First we'll write ACL for the field type. Operation will be write, read, and then field name. Type will be first for the basic salary. Click advance, give the role for the HR, and script will be answer is equal to true. That's it. Because if anyone having this role, access will be granted. Answer is equal to true. So we have given read access for the basic salary. Similarly, we will give to the CTC. Similarly, for the write ACL as well, for both fields. This is for the basic salary. Now I will write for the CTC as well for the right. Impersonate the HR with HR. HR has full access. Open any random record. See, she is able to update and see and read and write access for the salary structure fields as well, contacts, employment, and everything. Update and delete. She can delete the record. She can create the record as well. Now we have the last requirement. This is not part of the ACL, but I already explained you. Go to impersonate another user, search in ready. I will show you again what I want to achieve. Refresh this page. I want to hide this salary structure section name. If the user has a manager role, that is x underscore tgs underscore manager role, then we will hide the section display. What is the section name is the salary structure.